Today, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. It's simple, inexpensive, and can be done very quickly. So let's do this. So the first thing we want to do is locate our service panel where our breakers are. Find the switch that it has the circuit to the fan we're going to work on, and we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Then we're going to put our sign on here to make sure nobody flips that on again while we're working on it. Okay, in this particular remote control, it comes with just your screws. Let's open up so we can look at it. So you've got, this will go inside your fan. This is going to be the remote with a holder for the wall. You've got low, medium, and high, stop, your light on and off, and then 1, 2, 4, and 8 hour if you want a timer on it. So let's go ahead and install this. Real simple. Real simple instructions that they give with it. So on this ceiling fan, this has 2 screws on this side. It's going to have 2 screws on the other side. Some of them have a couple screws here. Whatever screws you have to unscrew just to drop this housing down, that's all you need to take off. On most of them like this, you've got 1 set screw that holds it tight. On this one, you just have to loosen this screw, and it has a slot. And all you have to do is twist it, and it drops down. And here we have our wires. So the first thing we're going to do is test the wires and make sure that they're off. Check all these wires coming out of here. The black hot wires, even the neutrals, we'll check everything. Okay, so we're good there. So the easiest thing to do is to get these wires out of here so we can work on them. So that's going to fit in there like this. So we've got the 3 wires left. This is from our ceiling fan. The blue normally always goes to the light. The black is for our power, white for the neutral. And since these are so long, we're going to cut them off a little bit shorter. And we just take our WAGO connectors. We'll do our white first. Then we'll do our blue for our light. Now if you don't have a light on your fan, you don't need to worry about a blue. You just cap it off. And now we'll do our hots. And that is it. Okay, so we have all our wires hooked up with the WAGOs. These are WAGO 221s. Black on black, white on white, blue on blue. This is for our remote, our receiver, so it's able to slip in and out. You don't want to smash it up there. And all we have to do and just spin it like that and go ahead and tighten it back down. put our other screw in here. And go tighten the other side. Now let's go turn our power back on and we'll test it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check out the link below to visit my Amazon storefront, where you'll find all the tools and equipment that I recommend and/or I use. It's organized to help you quickly find what you need and discover new items that will help you around the house or job site. New items are added weekly, so you can be up to date on the latest items and equipment to make your project or hobby safer and more enjoyable. And also, be sure to check out my playlist of other helpful videos. It might be just the video you need for your next project. So thanks again for watching, and God bless.